Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my previous tutorials. Common dropshipping mistake and listing product to Shopify from research. In these tutorials, we are going to dive into specific mistake and going to learn how to solve this issue. Okay, so in the previous tutorials, we have learned about three common mistake, and that's are most important when you listing product to Shopify from research. So mistake number one was unoptimized image and unsized image. Mistake number two was unoptimized product title and too much long product title. And mistake number three was unoptimized product URL or slug. Okay, in these tutorials we are going to dive into the specific mistakes and going to learn how to fix that. And I have already selected to show you how to optimize product title, and the good news is that we are going to learn how we can optimize the product title with AI without any advanced skill. We can do it using just AI power. So let's dive into the video. You know that we are going to learn everything with live project, and you can see that there are dropshipping product already listed, and here is the all the different long type title. So we are going to select one product and going to optimize the title. So we are going to select this product and going to optimize this product title. As you can see that this product title is too long, so I'm going to open this product and go to the admin panel, product, and search this product. Here is the product. Now we are going to optimize this product title. So before that, we are going to learn something about the SEO friendly optimized product title. So you can see that there are a lot of words in here and it's too much long. And now we are going to search in Google product title standard length. Okay, and you can see that here is few answer. Amazon recommend and maximum length of 80 character. So now we are going to count our product character. So this is our product title, coffee, and count it. Just paste. You can see that the character numbers is 123. So it's too long. Now the question is that how we can optimize it with AI power. It's so easy. You can do it very easily. Just going to copy this title, and I'm going to use shamraj.com good content title generator, free title generator powered by AI. And you know that Shamraj is one of the top SEO leading tools in the SEO industry. So it's very trusted and useful for anyone who wanted to rank their store in the search engine. So we are going to use these tools. It's totally free. I will share this website link in the video description, so don't worry about that. So now I'm going to paste this title in here and click on the get my idea. You can see that here is the idea about your title, like how to guide, question others listicles. We don't need how to or question. We are not using this title for our blog site, so we no need to guide or how to type title or question type title. We have to select from listicles and others. So here is the title they have already generated, and we can also use another tools. This is another top SEO tools in the SEO industry. Its name Ahref. I'm going to paste the title and click on the generate titles. It's taking a little bit time to generate the title. Looks here. It's also share the same type title like how to listicles, questions and others. So we no need questions or how to. So we have to select from listicles and others. Also we can use bard.google.com and ChatGPT. Just take a little bit time. If you can understand the secret or easy process, then you can optimize a lot of title with a quick time. Okay, so first we have to select a optimized title from here's other. I recommend to use the title from others, and here is the idea. The perfect hair accessories masters iron pro automatic routing ruler here. Unlocking the potential of the master iron pro automatic routings ruler here. Explore the benefit of master iron pro, the best and both worlds master everything. So the last one is perfect, so I'm going to copy this title and count this title character. It's 74, and now we can optimize it from ChatGPT. Optimize this product title to rank on Google. Okay, and here you can see that the keyword first master iron pro and automatic hair color as the most relevant keyword placed at the beginning for immediate search recognized. But AI give us the direction that we should add master iron pro or automatic routing hair color in the top, then benefit highlighted, effortless salon quality waves or colors, and action orient colors. I hope you understand very easily how you should process it. So now we are going to write the command share 3 title following above result. So you can see that Bard AI already shared 3 optimized title for me. Number 1, effortless Hollywood waves in minute master iron pro automatic hair color. Goodbye freeze halo shine master iron pro color for damage free waves and colds. And number 3, master the iron of crawling at home. And from here we can use the top title. So I hope you understand how we have optimized the title. I will show you the summary again, but before that I'm going to check the total characters is 76. So how we have optimized our title? First we have selected the product from our store. So this was our product and it was 123 character. Then we have go to the free title generator powered by AI by Shamresh and import our title in here. Then click on the get my titles idea and we found the title idea from here. Then from this list we select a perfect title from here and copy this title. For example, we have select this one. Then go to the bard.google.com. This is the AI tools of Google like ChatGPT, and here we have say that optimize this product title to rank on Google, and we have import the title. Then the Bard AI say us that we have to keep the master iron pro in the first and automatic routing hair color because they are most relevant keywords. Then add the benefit highlighted like effortless salon quality waves or colds. Okay, then I have commented the Bard AI that share the title following above result. That's mean I wanted to get 3 title idea following this result, and then the Bard AI share this 3 title in here. And finally I select the first one, and this titles character length 76 word. Our standard product title length should be maximum 80 characters. So finally we have found our title, optimized title, SEO friendly title, and now we can copy this title and paste it in here. Click on the save. So I hope you understand everything very easily. if you don't understand, I believe that you don't watch the video very deeply or keep your attention on this topic. So I recommend to rewatch this video if you don't understand this easy process. That will be very time saving, money saving, and helpful for your new Shopify store or your Shopify dropshipping business. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant Shopify dropshipping, WordPress, SEO, even social media marketing like setup TikTok shop, Instagram or Facebook, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.